Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, April 20th. I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. And in this video, I'd like to talk a little bit about day trading courses and what you should expect to learn in taking a day trading course. Day trading courses are offered to people who are interested in learning how to trade. I didn't say learning how to make money. Learning how to trade is what a day trading course will teach you. And actually, I have a little bit of a different definition about what you should expect to learn in a day trading course, or rather I should say, a good day trading course will teach you. In my opinion, a good day trading course will teach you the basics of trading. It will teach you how to read a chart. It will teach you the basics of the use of indicators. It will teach you various trade setups. But a good day trading course, if it's worth anything, will teach you or should teach you how not to lose money. Okay? Now, you might differ with that, but in my opinion, a good day trading course should teach you how not to lose money. Now, why do I say that? Well, what you really want to know as a day trader is how to make money, right? And that's the only basis for trading. That's the only reason that you trade, is to make money. But a day trading course can't teach you that. And the reason it can't teach you that is because it cannot teach you where the market is going to go in the future. Nobody can do that. Nobody can tell you where the market is going to go in the future. It can show you what the market did in the past and give you those metrics based on price action, confirming stochastics and other indicators, moving averages and things like that. But there is no day trading course, including mine, that will teach you where the market is going to go in the future. So let's talk about why you should take a day trading course. Many people who day trade find that they lose money, okay? Now, that doesn't mean that day trading courses are not good. They're not doing their job. Day trading courses will do their job if you understand what the job of a day trading course is and what you should be able to learn. And what you should be able to learn when you enroll in a day trading course is how not to lose money. So let's go further and explore how to make money. There is really no way to discern the future other than a crystal ball, except there is one way, and that is by looking at the past. Looking at the past is the best way to determine where the market is likely to trade in the future. I didn't say where it will trade. I said where the market is likely to trade. In wanting to make money, you need to know the basics. You need to take a day trading course, at least to learn what you should look for in learning how you can interpret a chart and read the fundamentals, read a chart intelligently. And that is based on market movements, price action, highs and lows, intraday levels, price patterns, and things of that nature. These are all important things and basics, really, that will enable you to trade. So with that definition, understand that taking a day trading course, enrolling in a day trading course, what you should get out of that day trading course is how to avoid losing money, okay? And my course does that, and that's the central focus. In fact, I have a free course that will teach you how to look out for the pitfalls that trip up most traders, okay? It's absolutely free. I consider the idea of watching out for pitfalls to be so important that I give the information away for free, because traders, especially new traders, should be able to understand that the market is designed to trip you up. It hides its intention as to where it's going to go. And the most important thing, the only thing that you really need to know to make money, is where the market is going to go. So enrolling in a day trading course will not teach you how to make money. It should teach you how not to lose money. Okay? So how do you learn how to make money? Well, you can't learn how to make money, but you can get an indication from looking at the past of where the market is likely to trade in the future. You're looking at my website, timelessdollar.com, and I offer several trading resources to help you make money. Actually, I should say to help you not to lose money and to try to help you make money. Okay, and here they are, my e-mini courses. Free mini course, and that free mini course will teach you how to look out for and avoid, how to spot and avoid the tricks and traps that the market performs in order to trip you up so that you take trades that are not in your best financial interest. The next course I offer is my regular e-mini trading course. And in my e-mini trading course, I teach you, of course, the market basics, but the most important thing is I teach you how not to lose money. But then I have something else, a third course. And that third course will try to teach you or show you where the market is going to go tomorrow. That's right, where the market is going to go tomorrow. And I consider this the next best thing to having a crystal ball. And that is a calculation of a trading zone for the following day based on where the market has been in the past. And this trading zone calculation is based on the work of George Taylor that was done back almost 75 years ago. So if you want to know how to avoid the pitfalls that the market throws at you every day, go to my site at timelessdollar.com and enroll in my free mini course, How to Spot and Avoid the Tricks and the Traps that the market sets for you each day. If you want to know how to avoid losing money, how not to lose money, enroll in my course, e-mini trading course, and it will teach you not only the market basics and the most common movements, the most important movements that you should be aware of and look for in order to trade, but also it will show you the ways to avoid losing money, or what you should do to avoid losing money. But if you want to know where the market is likely to trade in the future, this is the guy right here, Daily Trading Zone. And I provide this as a subscription that I publish each night and send to subscribers to show them the areas where the market is likely to go the following day. And if you do subscribe, in fact, I give you 1 week trading zone reports for absolutely free. So I've said enough for today. Trade safely. Thanks very much for watching, folks, and I'll see you in my next video.